Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stoke, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Hyundai KONA 64kWh Ultimate. Now this vehicle is an electric with an automatic transmission. It is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Pulse Red Pearl paint. To start off with, then you have your LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 17-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels with a two-tone finish, really complementing against the Pulse Red Pearl exterior colour. You also have keyless entry, which allows you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Moving to the rear, you can find your boot space, where you can see you've got a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a medium-sized suitcase. As this vehicle is an electric car, it does come supplied with a wall box charging cable. So this vehicle has a range of up to 300 miles. On a 7kW charger, it can take up to 10 hours to charge from empty to full, and on a rapid charge, it can take up to 50 minutes. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the black leather upholstery. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away to carry that fifth passenger. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around again, you can find that lovely upholstery providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. You also have your sliding sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your volume controls, hands-free options, and of course your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys. Taking a look at your dash, you can see this vehicle has done 27,874 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. You also have a head-up display, which is a brilliant safety feature as it allows you to see the speed you are travelling at without taking your eyes off the road. On your infotainment system, you have everything that you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. You also have your DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so that you can always find something to listen to no matter what. You also have your Bluetooth connectivity, which allows you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. You also have your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto supported via a USB, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music whilst travelling. And you also have front and rear parking sensors with a rear view camera, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier. Moving to your climate control, you can easily adjust temperature, airflow and airflow direction by using the buttons as well as the dials. Passengers travelling in the front have front heated seats, and as well as this, they are also ventilated, ideal for the hot summer months as well as the colder winter ones. This has been a presentation on a Hyundai KONA 64kWh Ultimate that's now available to purchase from Motor Match Stoke. For more information, please contact our sales team.